Hi everybody, welcome back to another makeup tutorial with me, Lisa from CreativeImage, here in Umdloti, Durban. I'm an influencer for PSC and today I'll be showing you how to achieve a matte finish using the Shiloh Beauty makeup range. So let's get started. We're firstly starting off with some setting spray, making a nice base for the makeup to stick to. Next, we're going in with the SPF 50 Photoshop primer and we're applying that over the entire face. Make sure to massage it in completely so that you don't see the titanium dioxide beads. They contain the anti-aging and the sun protection. So massage it until you can't see any white left anymore. You can see how that just seals the pores and making my marks less visible. Next, I'm applying my setting powder in the shade 7. Apply that over the entire face as well as the neck area. Then we're going to correct. I'm using the Latte foundation and correcting the dark circles under my eyes. Then I'm going in with my Mocha foundation, and with that I'm going to correct all my freckles. Next, I'm going in with the Ivory Foundation and I'm going to apply that with a foundation brush. These foundations are hypoallergenic, so if you have sensitive skin, you're welcome to use this too. What I love about this product is that it's cruelty-free, unlike the other products that I used to use. And like you can see, a little goes a long way. That one bead is covering my entire face. I'm going to spritz some setting spray on my beauty blender and then I'm just going to use that to blend out my foundation seamlessly. Then I'm using the same beauty blender, dunking it into my setting powder and then applying it over the entire face. After that's pressed into the face very well, we're going to go in with a powder brush and then apply some more powder over the entire face, especially the eye area. Now you can go up to 4 layers of foundation and powder without it clogging your pores as it's serum based. And then here's the final look. I used a matte lipstick as well so that we can keep with the matte theme and you can see how matte my skin looks. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.